Tired of tiny screens and laggy tablets? Struggling to multitask for school or work? Notes always look messy and hard to review. Battery dying when you need it most? Worried about spills or drops ruining your device? Entertainment feels dull on low-quality displays? Searching online takes forever? Typing, switching apps? Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. A tablet designed to solve every daily frustration. Enjoy a large, immersive display with vibrant colors. 90 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Dual speakers bring movies and music to life. Never squint at small text or cramped screens again. Take notes naturally with the included S Pen. Handwriting Assist makes every note look neat. Math Solver instantly cleans up equations you write. Perfect for students and professionals alike. Circle to search with Google changes everything. Just circle anything on your screen, get instant results. No more switching apps or copying text to search. Stay productive and curious without interruptions. Powerful Exynos 1580 processor keeps everything fast. Seamless multitasking, work, stream, and play together. Store all your files with 128 gigabytes built-in storage. Expand up to 1 terabyte with a microSD card. Long battery life. Up to 20 hours on a single charge. Super fast charging gets you back in action quickly. No more hunting for outlets during busy days. IP68 water and dust resistance for real-life durability. Spills, splashes, and drops? No problem. Take your tablet anywhere, worry-free. Lightweight, sleek design fits any bag or workspace. Enjoy entertainment, work, and creativity on the go. Before, struggling with slow, fragile, boring tablets. After, effortless productivity, creativity, and fun. Before, notes are messy and hard to organize. After, Handwriting Assist keeps everything tidy. Before, searching means typing and switching apps. After, Circle to search finds answers instantly. Before, battery anxiety ruins your day. After, up to 20 hours of power, fast charging. Before, worrying about spills and accidents. After, confidently use your IP68 water-resistant tablet. Before, entertainment looks dull and sounds weak. After, big, bright screen and immersive dual speakers. Before, limited storage for files and apps. After, expandable storage for everything you need. Before, S Pen features only on premium tablets. After, included S Pen for writing, drawing, and more. Before, multitasking slows everything down. After, Exynos 1580 processor keeps things smooth. Before, carrying multiple devices for work and play. After, one tablet does it all. Work, study, relax. Before, worrying about device compatibility. After, seamless Galaxy ecosystem integration. Before, missing out on AI-powered features. After, AI keyboard hotkey boosts productivity. Before, struggling with slow charging. After, super fast charging keeps you moving. Before, bulky, outdated tablet designs. After, sleek, lightweight, modern style. Before, entertainment limited to small screens. After, big screen, big sound, big fun. Before, tablet can't keep up with your lifestyle. After, Galaxy Tab S10 FE adapts to every need. Upgrade your downtime and productivity today. Experience the perfect mix of innovation and reliability. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE makes sense for your life. Ready to step up your tablet game? Tap to learn more and get yours now.